Welcome back, viewers. The bitter war of words over Kejriwal's sugar level is spiking again. This time, it is Aam Aadmi Party versus the Tihar authorities that are exchanging barbs. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj today claimed that central government is trying to kill Kejriwal slowly inside Tihar jail. He cited a letter that was written by Tihar DG to AIIMS seeking a diabetes specialist for Kejriwal on the 20th of April. Aam Aadmi Party says that if yesterday the jail authorities are seeking a specialist to consult Arvind Kejriwal, how come the BJP was claiming earlier that Kejriwal always had a doctor checking up on him? Aam Aadmi Party also claims that not just people in India, but international media is also watching what is transpiring in India. Aam Aadmi Party workers also staged a protest outside Tihar jail over the matter today.
पूरी दुनिया, क्योंकि आज बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल मीडिया के साथी भी ये देख रहे हैं किस तरीके से चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री की हत्या की साजिश केंद्र सरकार कर सकती है। ये कह रहे हैं हमारे यहां स्पेशलिस्ट हैं, डॉक्टर हैं, देख रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को क्या दिक्कत है। ये मैं पत्र आपको दिखा रहा हूं, ये कल का पत्र है। ये तिहाड़ जेल के डीजी ने कल यानी कि 20 अप्रैल को एम्स को लिखा है और कहा है कि हमको एक डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट, एक शुगर या डायबिटीज के स्पेशलिस्ट को दे दिया जाए। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार सबके सामने एक्सपोज हो गई। कल तक ये लोग कह रहे थे हमारे पास सारे स्पेशलिस्ट हैं, सब कुछ तो जेल में मौजूद है, अस्पताल है, क्लिनिक है, बेड है, इंसुलिन है, सब कुछ है। अरविंद केजरीवाल झूठ बोल रहे हैं। कल तिहाड़ जेल के डीजी ने 20 दिन से इनके पास अरविंद केजरीवाल हैं, मुख्यमंत्री हैं, सीवियर डायबिटिक हैं, रोज कह रहे हैं मुझे डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट से दिखवाइए, मुझे इंसुलिन की जरूरत है। एक साधारण डॉक्टर, मुझे नहीं मालूम वो कौन है और किस तरीके से वो जेल में है वहां पे, उसके कहने पे सारा मैनिपुलेशन किया जा रहा है और एक चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को दवा नहीं दी जा रही।
Now, top Tihar sources have told Times Now that none of these charges stick. They say that yesterday, appropriate senior specialists from AIIMS had provided consultation to Arvind Kejriwal in jail via video conferencing. And after a 40-minute detailed consultation, Arvind Kejriwal was assured that there was no serious concern whatsoever and had been advised to continue with the medication that has been prescribed, which is going to be evaluated and reviewed on a regular basis. This virtual consultation was organized by the Tihar Jail Administration on a request by Arvind Kejriwal's wife. Apart from senior specialists from AIIMS, RMO Tihar and a medical officer of Tihar were also present during this consultation. The senior specialist from AIIMS asked for and was provided with a complete record of glucose monitoring sensor and details of diet and medicines that are being taken by Delhi Chief Minister. Neither the issue of insulin was raised by Arvind Kejriwal, according to what Tihar sources are saying, nor was insulin recommended by the doctors. Now, the Tihar authorities maintain that Kejriwal's blood sugar levels have not been alarming since he has been lodged in jail. They say that insulin is not required as of now and can be recommended as and when is suggested by the doctors. More importantly, the report submitted to Delhi LG states that the inmate stopped insulin few months back, allegedly on the advice of a doctor from Telangana. The report submitted to Delhi LG also says that Arvind Kejriwal has not furnished any documentation whatsoever to back his alleged history of insulin intake and has not been advised insulin even by the RML hospital. Remember, before being taken to jail, there is a medico-legal report that is conducted by the medical authorities. Now, the Tihar report categorically says that it is incorrect to say that Arvind Kejriwal was denied insulin at any point in time, and yet if need arises, it can be provided and when required and advised by a specialist. But there is no end to this face-off between the BJP and the Congress.